Two boys were studying in the living room with big sad pout. They were quiet and only focusing on their notebook. Don't think they are like this. Usually they put whole house on their head, but today they are so quiet. Why? Don't know. Let's go and check. Jimin ran to them. Titi, cookie, Titi, cookie, Titi, cookie. Cook without looking at him. Minnie, don't run. You will hurt yourself. Walk slowly, slowly. Jimin, Atti. When few seconds passed, but Minnie hasn't come to them. They both looked at him, who was walking like a turtle. T. Minnie, now what are you doing there? Jimin. Cookie say Minnie walk slowly, slowly. So Minnie walk slowly, slowly. Cook. I said to walk slowly, not to become like a turtle. Come here fast. Jimin ran to them. Utti. T caught him in his arms. Our Minnie looks good while running like a bunny. Don't we become like turtle? Jimin. Minnie no turtle. Bunny. Cookie bunny. Minnie cute little baby. Cook tickled him in his tummy. Come here, our cute little baby. Jimin giggles while throwing his head. Cookie no na. T. Okay, no more tickles. Minnie, why did you come here? Jimin. Minnie come call Titi Cookie. Shoot them his ball. Titi Cookie play Minnie. Cook. Minnie, we can't play with you. Jimin. Small face. We. T. Don't be sad, Minnie. Actually, we got lots of homework today. Cook. And cherry on the top today. Cut off. Jimin. Cherry, where? Minnie knows she cherry. Started searching cherry. T hit on Cook's head. Now tell him where is cherry. Cook rubbed his forehead. Why are you hitting me? I was only saying praise. T. Firstly, we already have less time and you are wasting it in praise. Now explain him. Otherwise, he kept searching cherry, and if he wouldn't find any cherry, then he will think we ate it without sharing with him. Jimin. Minnie no cherry. Titi Cookie eat cherry alone. No sharing Minnie. Minnie sharing Titi Cookie. Minnie no so sad. Minnie no talk Titi Cookie. T. See, I told you. Cook. Minnie, you are mistaken us. We didn't eat any cherry. And it's not cherry season, so where did we get cherry from? Jimin. Minnie no fool. Cookie lying. Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie isn't lying. Why would Cookie lie to his precious Minnie? Jimin. Cookie no want cherry. Minnie. Cook. No, Minnie, it's not like that. I want to share something else, but Minnie cut off in between and misunderstood Titi and Cookie. T. Minnie, first listen to him, then say. Jinhyang always says, na? First listen everyone, complete his talk, then decide anything. Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Jinny, she, Minnie, Utti, Cookie, she, Minnie, listen. No talking between. Minnie, quiet. Cook. Thank you, Minnie. So I was just completing these words. T said, na, we got lots of homeworks. I was going to say, and cherry on the top. Junhyang gave us these sample papers to solve. Showed him a bundle of papers. Cherry on the top is a phrase which means to decorate something or enhance anything. Did you understand now? Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, Minnie, no, undo. Cookie she. Cook. Minnie, it's understand, not undo. Undo means to cancel anything. Jimin. Minnie, no cancel anything. Cook. No, Minnie, I didn't see this. Now, how would I make you understand? Jimin. Cookie smart boy. Minnie, undo everything. If you make him understand by using words like enhanced decoration, then how would he understand? Don't you know he is only 3 year old? Which 3 year old child understands such hard words? First, we don't have time, we don't understand Minnie's language, and now you use such a complicated words which confused him as hell. I swear, Cookie, if June Yang scold me because of you, then I will push you from stairs. Jimin, Titi push Cookie, Minnie catch Cookie, Minnie strong boy. Jungkook. Jimin, Cookie no jungle book, Cookie, Minnie sweet, no jungle book, Titi no shade, said while hugging Cook. Cook smiled. Minnie, Titi said Jungkooka, not Jungle Book. Cookie's name is Jungkook, na? Just like Minnie's name is Jimin. Jimin, Minnie no Jimmy, Minnie only Minnie, sweet Minnie. Cook gently pinched on his nose. Okay, you are our Minnie, no Jimmy. Now go outside and play him. Titi and Cookie will play with Minnie after completing their homework, okay? Jimin looked at books. Okay, Minnie play alone. Titi, Cookie study. Minnie no Titi. Minnie going. Cutely ran from there. Jimin came to the garden and started playing with his ball. He was looking so cute, seeing his overloaded cuteness. Few butterflies came to play with him, but he got scared from them and sat on the ground while covering his both the eyes by his tiny baby hands. Jimin, Minnie no tippy fly why fly tippy Minnie go na Minnie wanna play Minnie no fly play Jimmy Junie Kitty Poppy Titi Cookie help Minnie no fly tippy Minnie. Note: if a butterfly sit on you, then it's very good sign. It means your loved ones who is no more send any message, love, comfort or guidance for you. Butterflies represent the thought of your loved one's soul and convey their love for you. If so many butterflies attract towards you, then it means you are so kind and humble, who loves to spread love, positivity and happiness. It means you have the heart of pure gold. It other means is something good is going to happen with you. A small information for you all. Tell me if you already knew about this. Jimin was talking with butterflies and trying to send them away, but butterflies weren't letting the name to leave him. They were so happy to have him. They want to play with him. Jimin fell on the ground and started crying his lungs out. All the butterflies flew except one. That one butterfly tried to come closer to him and he got more scared and started crying more loudly. Butterfly didn't even touch him, but he was crying like it will gonna eat him alive. He was continuously calling everyone to help him, but no one was at home except T-Cook. They were in living room and Jimin was in backyard. His voice didn't reach to them. He stood up and started running. Jimin, why fly, baby Minnie, no come fly, Minnie, no fly, Minnie say Ginny, Kitty, Obi, Titi, Cookie, but Minnie, good boy, leave Minnie and go, said while crying. He was continuously telling the butterfly to leave him, but it was flying along with him. I guess it was also an army, or any of you sent to DB Minnie very bad. While running and crying, he reached a backyard's door. Butterflies came closer to his ear, and he quickly closed his ears by his tiny baby hands. He thought butterflies came to eat his ears. Jimin shouts, Titi, Cookie, save Minnie, fly, fly, eat Minnie's ear. Minnie, no earless. Minnie, listen now. Titi, Cookie, Titi, Cookie. Hearing Jimin shout, Tico ran to him and saw two butterflies were flying near his head, and he was looking so scared. He even closed his ears too. Minnie, what happened? Why are you shouting? Jimin hugged him tightly. Titi, fly, fly, eat Minnie, ear, Minnie, no ear, let's shape Minnie. Tee hugged him tightly. Minnie, they are only butterflies, they won't harm you. Stop scaring from them. Cook, yeah, Minnie, Whoopi Hang is enough to scare from insects. Please don't join him. Jimin, Cookie, no, listen, Cookie, get out, fly, fly. Minnie, no, one, fly, 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 bad. Cook, okay, stop fearing. They won't eat your life. Take him inside and change his clothes. He dirtied them. Jinhyang will be mad to see him like this. Minnie, let's go inside. Cookie will handle butterflies. Jimin, Minnie, ball, backyard, fly, fly, take ball, Minnie. Cook, I will bring Minnie's ball. Now go inside or butterflies will eat Minnie's ears. Jimin quickly ran inside while covering his both ears by his tiny baby hands. Cookie smiled to see him. Ran behind him and Cookie gently caught butterflies' wings and flew them outside. He picked Jimin's ball and came inside after locking the door and windows. Time is skipped in the evening. Changed Jimin's clothes and washed the dirty one too. Cook draw a picture and gave Jimin colors to color the drawing. Cook were completing their homeworks and Jimin was coloring the drawing while laying on the floor. He was so scared to go anywhere. Jimin gave T his drawing. Minnie finished. T took the drawing. Very good, Minnie. Patted his head. Jimin, thank you, Titi. I smiled. Now play. Cook, we can't play, Minnie. Jimin dramatically laid down on the floor. Wait, Minnie waiting long. I know, baby, but Junhyang said the toughest sample paper. I don't know any answer. Cook, did you know any answer? Cook, I wrote 2 answers. You can copy mine. What will happen with 2 answers? He gave us 25 answers. Sample paper. We should at least attempt 22 questions. Otherwise, he will break his all the key and belt on us. Jimin stood up while placing his tiny hands on his waist. How can you beat Titi Cookie? Minishi Juni Titi. Cook. By the time Jin and Yoongi Hang come, he would have taken out our blood. Titi, I don't want to die this early. Me too, Cookie. Jimin climbed on the couch and placed his tiny baby hands on them. Titi, Cookie, no scared. Minnie, hi, Titi, Cookie. Juni, no beat Titi, Cookie. Teen got an idea and shared it with Cook. Cook quickly agreed. Jimin went to their room and brought Cook's book. T told him to open the page number and Jimin stood in front of them while showing the answers. Cook were copying the answers. Like that, they wrote all the answers with the help of Jimin and started playing with him. Jimin was very happy. After few minutes, June came there. He saw Cook were running in the living room while laughing and giggling. Jimin wasn't there. He went to washroom. Suddenly T bumped with June and fell on the floor. Cook became super shocked to see him. Cook crawled back to T and stood beside him. Cook scared her. Yang, you didn't ring the doorbell. We didn't hear your car sound. June sat on the couch. I wanted to see what both of you did behind our back. I'm impressed to see that this is how you do your studies. Tea gave him a glass of water. Yang, water. June got the water. Looked here and there. Where is your third partner? Tea. He went to washroom. Cook. Yang, we already completed our homeworks. Tea. Cook, first let Yang freshen up. He just came from the school. Yang, you go and freshen up. We will wait. June, no need to wait. First, I will check your homework and sample papers, then do anything. And if you do the slightest mistake, then trust me, my cane will talk with you too. Understand? Tea. Cook scared. Understood, Yang. June first checked their answers, then sample papers. Tea. Cook didn't do a single mistake. Then also June found out that they cheated. He started asking questions from them. Cook answered 2 questions, whereas Tea didn't answer any question. June became mad and went to bring his cane, but for his surprise, he didn't find any cane and belt in the entire house. Not only his, all the members' belts were missing. June, first you cheated, then hide all the cane and belts. Go and bring them by yourself, otherwise you know the result very well. Tea. Cook, I didn't hide anything, I'm young. June, stop lying. Jimin, Titi cooking no lying. Minnie, get out cane and belt. Minnie, no one bad things home. June, how can I forget you? So you thought by hiding my cane and belt you will save them? No, and today you will also get punishment. Jimin, Minnie, good boy, no punishment. June, shut up. Good boys won't help in cheating. Tea. Cook, Yang, please don't scold him. June brought a wooden spatula from the kitchen and hit Cook 23 times and Tea 25 times. Both were crying mess. Jimin tried to stop June, but he didn't let him come in between. He told Tea. Cook to kneel down on the floor and learn all the answers and write them again. Now it's Jimin's turn. June made Jimin's both the hands up. So now you are also started becoming brat. Let me see who will save you from me. Jimin, Minnie no brat, Minnie goodbye. June, which goodbye do what you did? Jimin, Minnie only help Titi cookie. Jin, see, Minnie help everyone. June, stop talking back. Your tongue started getting longer day by day. Jimin sticks his tongue out. Minnie tongue no long. See? They both were bickering like this. After 5 minutes, June told Jimin to down his hands. Tea. Cook learned and wrote the answers. They both massaged Jimin's hands as they were hurting. But now Jimin's naughtiness started. He started irritating June. Time skipped after some times. Everyone returned back to home and got the news that Minnie fight and stopped talking with each other. Yang brought both of them in front of them, but now they both started fighting and none of them understood what was Jimin saying. Jin shouted, "Shut up, both of you!" Yoongi, yeah guys, at least fight in the language which we also understand. We couldn't understand a single word which this little chick said. June, translate him. June, I won't translate this brat's words. Jimin, Minnie no one monster. Hobie, oh wow, so you two gave each other new nicknames. Nice. Teacock told everyone whatever happened between them. Jin forced Minimoni to hold each other's hands. Hyungi, now tell us why are you fighting? Jimin, Kitty, Minnie, brat. Hyungi, no, Minnie is naughty but not brat. Jimin, Master she Minnie brat. Minnie punish, Master punish Minnie. Minnie had hurt. Jin, you shouldn't punish him. He is just a cute little baby. June, Yang, you don't know. He put salt in my coffee. He hid my laptop's charger. He hid my all the books. Hobie, Minnie, this is also wrong. You shouldn't do this. Jimin, Minnie, no brat, monster. Brat, Minnie become brat. Everyone looked at June. He is saying he isn't a brat. I called him brat, so he started doing all the things which a brat child do. Hyungi, he's right. Now say him sorry. June, I will never say him sorry. Jimin raised his hand. Bye, master. Stop being get out them. June got scared. No, don't throw my books. I'm sorry and take my words back. You aren't a brat. Hobie, Minnie, now you also say him sorry and close this matter. Jimin quickly held his ears by his hands. Minnie, Shali. Finally, Yang solved their matter. Jimin returned Jones all their stuffs back, except belts and cane, which he threw in swimming pool. Yang scolded Teacock too for cheating. Kids are so cute and adorable, but when they are naughty mode on, they irritate the person until he or she accepts his or her defeat. They are just like a spring. More you try to stop their naughtiness, more naughty they become. The end. Arthur's Note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Kids have various of variation. Naughtiness is the most powerful and favorite weapon of them. Kids are the best when it comes to take revenge. No one can defeat them. They know everyone's trigger point and they perfectly press that. Just like Armini, June punished him for helping Teacock in cheating. He was alright till then, but when he called him a brat, he couldn't take it and became an actual brat and kept irritating June until he accepted his defeat and took back his words. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.